Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I am going to show you how to record screen on this laptop. To start a screen recording, you have to use either a combination of keys Windows Shift, Left Shift and R buttons. So either press Windows Shift R simultaneously or just you press print screen button that's located next to your power button, and then select the record option right here. Once you select this option, what you'll have to do is select an area of your screen that will be recorded. You can also resize it by dragging the sides and the corners of selection. You will also see these two icons at the top of your screen. This one unmutes your microphone and this one mutes your system audio when you click on them. Now, to start a recording, just click Start button, then let the tool access your microphone, and in a couple of seconds the recording will begin. Now, everything that happens within this recording will be recorded and saved to your screen recordings folder. Now you can pause the video by clicking pause icon, stop it by clicking red square icon, and delete it by clicking this icon. Now, let's stop the recording, and once we do that, we'll immediately get the full version preview of this video, which you can trim by using this quick tool at the top of your window. You can edit it in Clipchamp by clicking right here, and if you want to find your video, you gotta go to File Explorer, Videos, Screen Recordings, and here is the video that was just made. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.